Hello there. My name is Edip Uras. I'm here to introduce you to our film analysis workshop. Now, in this workshop, we will be seeing powerful scenes from four different movies: The Avengers, Cool Runnings, Ocean's 11, and Apollo 13. What are we going to see these scenes and what are we going to discuss about these scenes? In this workshop, we will use a specification of the films and movies we so love and how they work in our lives. Because films can make us take a step back and look into our behaviors, our lives, our mistakes, our successes from a different perspective. We also see role models and we see villains that we will be staying away from. So all these scenes, we will be looking at different aspects of work and at home relations, about teams, and about each other. Some of the headings that we are going to look at through these scenes will be ego management, emotion management, communications, learning from mistakes, and building a team-oriented mindset. This will not be a lecture. We will be looking at these scenes, taking all the perspectives of everybody and try to see the films, the scenes through a different light, not only from a cinematic point of view, but also a sociological point of view, a psychological point of view, and most importantly, how we use them in our homes and at work. So our goal will be simple: to strengthen teamwork, improve collaboration, and create a shared language around working together more efficiently through these films. I really look forward to seeing you all and taking these stories to heart and see some excitement, some emotion, and most importantly, how teams really work. Thank you for listening. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye.